The artist that walk through your studio as a nobody is a different man. That one him song play a road.
True.
Terro done, I'm a lot the place, you know. I'm here the best with.
Yeah, man, Terro done. I'm not gonna lie, Terro done. Big up yourself, man. Like Terro done, rapper, crapper, the entertainment feed, the fix. Big up all on yourself, cause no found no pave the way for a lot of these Jamaican vloggers and stuff like that. You know, I caught on to yourself a bit labor when I see, you know what I'm saying. You know, Jamaicans have a thing in the industry. We don't like to pay homage to people and before we and stuff like that. But yeah, man, Terro done. Big up yourself, rapper, crapper, the fix, the entertainment feed. Yeah, all I want to big up.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a 5 against me thing. Suck on a mama.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back when I hit smashing out. Bang. You know? Yeah, people, you already want to. Before we get into the video, people, please take the time to go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. It really help with the YouTube algorithm. Help me get my videos out there and help my channel grow and improve. So I really appreciate it. Just hit that like and subscribe button. But yeah, yes, guys, they were with another video, a very interesting one. This is one from Terro. If for those who don't know, Terro is a very known Jamaican vlogger. He usually do like reviews and reaction and stuff on YouTube. And he's recently became a producer, and he started producing music and has very different artists signed on his label. But there's a little controversy going on between him and an artist and regards to getting paid and stuff like that. So apparently today there's an interview. He did an interview on his channel by a reporter or I guess a journalist. And they're actually talking about the podcast, and they're talking about the business of music. So that's what we're going to listen to today, and react to and see what's going on. So yeah, guys, we're not going to hold up any longer. We're gonna jump right into the video. Yeah, okay. This is Shop Done, the business of music. More Shop Done, Terro done. I apologize, Terro done. I've been saying Shop Done this whole time. Terro done. Yes, Terro done is a very well-known vlogger. Okay, and he's posted a video today on his channel about the business of music, just to clear up some rumors about the controversy that's going on and give people a better understanding of how the music industry works, the business side of music works. So that's what we're gonna check out, see what's going on. So if you're new, hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get it.
The artist that walk through your studio as a nobody is a different man. That one him song play a road.
True.
Terro done, I'm a lot the place, you know. I'm here the best with.
Yeah, man, Terro done. I'm not gonna lie, Terro done. Big up yourself, man. Like Terro done, rapper, crapper, the entertainment feed, the fix. Big up all on yourself, cause no found no pave the way for a lot of these Jamaican vloggers and stuff like that. You know, I caught on to yourself a bit labor when I see, you know what I'm saying. You know, Jamaicans have a thing in the industry. We don't like to pay homage to people and before we and stuff like that. But yeah, man, Terro done. Big up yourself, rapper, crapper, the fix, the entertainment feed. Yeah, all I want to big up on yourself, man, and keep doing the thing and keep growing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. No lie. Even oh yeah, and let's be honest, man. Big up on yourself when you're very new, but yeah, man, like on doing the thing. Let's be honest. You know, keep growing, everybody. You know what I'm saying? And let's learn to be more. What would I say? More cooperative or more. Loving that the space that Jamaicans have on this YouTube thing. But let's jump in.
What's up, everybody? It's your girl Dolly XO, and from your city intro, you don't know what's about to take place. So tonight,
It's a Dolly XO.
I am here with none other than the YouTube king / artist manager / producer Terro, and of course from the
big up yourself, Majid Terro. Yeah, man. Evilly though, you know.
Host of hits, we have the hit producer himself, Noel One Time. Now tonight we'll be discussing the business of music. Of course, you know, well, go party and we see the artist in my Google show, but we not too really know what going on behind the scenes. So tonight they're gonna be diving in a bit of the business.
A lot of people see the party and music, and then they be forgetting that music is a business too, you know. You know what I'm saying? It's not just a party, it's a business. You know what I'm saying?
Business of music
that drives out of business
and educate us on what really goes on behind the scenes of dancehall. So, Terro, let's start with you. what's up, and tell me about this new journey, because I'm gonna be honest, I didn't know that you ventured into producing now, because you know I'm always see Facebook and YouTube. So let me know how that's been going, and you know what created your love for music, and why did you dive into it?
Well, music, I something in my life long time, so you see. So I've been a review songs.
Ritical that. Yeah, me say Ritical start link with Terro down and them thing there, you know, you see me, so.
You see me? We know the hit songs. So we just figure say yo.
Ritical is a very good artist, you know. No joke, yeah man.
We just want to start produce our own music. You see me? So I just the love I'm have for it from a long time. That's it.
Okay, so you had a love for it from ever since, but you just venture in at a more in-depth part in it.
Yeah, we just venture in at the production side.
Okay, is there anybody that kind of guidelines you into this, or showed you what to do, what not to do in the level of producing? Because even though we don't know much about what goes on in producing, we hear that, you know, it's a crab in a barrel mentality thing. I don't know. So who kind of helps you with that?
Well, quite a few producers, including Noel one time. What need more producers? We have to ask the pointers to learn, because them would have done the game before we, so we have to ask questions, how this work, how the business part work, because we have to know before we go in a fuckery, you know.
That is true.
We don't want to just go in a something and then say, blood clot, the fuck we do.
Yeah.
So we want to get it right first, before anything else. If the business is right from morning, fuck you all go on.
That's facts. Fucking foundation, man, of a good and stable from morning. Real talk.
That is true.
That is it.
Anything sound or anything worthwhile or anything safe or anything good or anything, you know, to be able to build on that, you know what I'm saying? Anything stable, strong or structurally sound, to be able to build on it, you must have a good foundation.
So Noel, you have a notorious reputation on the streets for, you know, giving young artists or young producers leeway into the business, and you know that's unheard of or unusual. So what made you want to, you know, guideline Terro into music?
We're always like to see youths do the right thing, is it? And it's a good business venture as it relates to creativity. And the entire package that it comes with, because producing is come from the word production, and once you're talking about production, you have more than one element. It's not just the end product that audience normally get, which is the track or the single song that you see out there. It comes with advertising, it comes with marketing, it comes with sales, it comes with all of that. So it gets even you as the individual producer rounded. So I would recommend it to any youths who want to try it. As I can see, a lot of youths right now really music, because it is like a escape from the system. And the system, we know you go high school, that we're bashing against education. Yeah, it's kind of like a scapegoat for youths who are not educated. They can even use music to get themselves educated in the long run. So that's why I always recommend it to other people or other youths to try it, because it is something that is fruitful and uplifting.
Oh, okay. All right. So what I want to ask you now, and don't bother answer because Terro depend on the coach over this though, is do you think him have it? Because you know, as a senior producer in the business or whatever, him just come in, and I know you probably had some studio times with him or whatever. You think him have it? Because him definitely have the vlogging thing, like, but we don't know what the producing there. Tell me if him have it.
Music is like leadership, you know. You can have the talent and you can also be taught. And the most important thing about music is, you know, when something sound good from when it don't sound good. You understand me? And Terro know that, because you have a lot of producers don't know when a song sound good from when it don't sound good.
That's facts.
Them just know say I want to sing this. So there is something about music that when you hear a track,
Yeah, man.
you know,
music,
say, yo.
music, that's true. There's more than one talent. When it comes to this music thing, there's more than one way to have talent. You know what I'm saying? Like, you have someone who's talented to be able to sing and rap and DJ. You see me? While on the other hand, you have someone who know play instruments. You see me? But they don't know if rap or DJ and all of that. When on the other hand, you have someone who know if make beats. You know what I'm saying? And then on the other hand, you have a next man who know if do for shoot a video, take picture. You know what I'm saying? And then on the other hand, you have a next man where he just have an ear, cause a man can't DJ, you know, and just feel like say everything in his own body, you know. When I so you go take a man with the ear for music and say, yo, this is, you know what I'm saying? So when it comes to this music thing, it's very different ways where you can have your talent can lie and people don't even know it. You know what I'm saying? So sometimes your talent is just be able to hear a sound and know say, yo, this sound not gonna be there. I hate this, you know, for I gotta take on to everybody else. And yeah, man, take talent for be able to do them thing, man. No joke. Take talent for be able to hear a song and know say, yo, yeah, man. Because if anybody can do it, everybody, you know what I'm saying?
This track or this song,
do it.
you go hit or you go miss.
Yeah.
There's this, and I would even say, oh, that is something that can be taught. It is something that is innate inside of you, where you know, say, yo, from a hear a song.
Yeah, man, say.
I think that's something that's natural. Inside a natural gift
The talent, you know what I'm saying? That you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man.
inside of every producer. Once you hear a song and you believe in it and you know you see that song, yeah, God.
Understood. So Terro, tell me how you feel about the reopening of the entertainment sector, what that means for you as a producer, right? What that means for you as a producer, and tell me about some of the projects that you've worked on in the past or that you're working on now. Of course, you know, without breaching any type of contract or NDA that you might have had.
Well, the reopening of the entertainment sector still. For the producers, them can go out to the party, them go promote. You see me? Me and that type of person still, you know. You see me? I use the internet to promote.
Okay. You say your CDD is done.
No, well, you have to be in the street, but I'm sending somebody in the street.
Alright.
Me, you know, really going there still, you see. So, the reopening of the entertainment sector still, the artists, them really like that, you know. Because producers are the person them way.
Yeah, I'm glad they touched on that. You say for the artists them, right? So remember we say we are trying to educate ourselves on what happens behind the scenes of dancehall. So why is it beneficial to the artists them and not to the producers more so?
Alright, you see the entertainment sector, normally artists would then book for a show and them things.
Okay.
And they want to show up at one party and make them voice be heard. Producers don't do that. You see me? So if me I go do it, I normally promote a song already record.
Yeah, because it's very obvious when they open up.
But then I like
Artists can go do shows, they can go meet and greets, they can go do endorsement, all type of stuff, you know, events, you know what I'm saying, co-hosts, you know, especially you know what I'm saying, they can do all that, get paid. So it's really for them. They can go on tour, you know what I'm saying, through their own concert, you know what I'm saying.
I go perform or make my voice be heard. Unless more of my song play.
Advertising and marketing.
So no, how do you get paid when the entertainment industry is booming? That's what I want to know. How does the money part of it go? Cause girl them want know if the producer them have money or them not have money. Me want know.
Boy, it's the easy. Alright, let me tell you, alright, the road is really advertising and marketing strategy. And you can't, I see some producers is kind of like, well, the younger producers, like myself, coming out old enough, so you know, say, oh.
Please.
We're not old, so, alright, so, the younger producers, they are more using the internet. But then, you have to go out there, because the dancehall, the platform, that's where your music will be heard. So you have
Yeah, man, you still gotta be in the streets and be able to feel how the music I do. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, the internet is
Of
a
God,
vital
you have to
way
get
to
the disc jockey.
internet is a vital way to distribute it and a quicker, more faster and efficient way to distribute music, but that's to get a feel of how the music is doing and the longevity and how people are receiving it. Yeah, you definitely got to be in the streets for that. That is facts.
Your CD back in the days, or
Same,
I have to give them your vinyl back in the days, and get your music to be heard. But now it's more easier because you can just sit down at your house right now as a producer and promote over the internet. You have Instagram, you have Facebook, you have YouTube, you have all of those platforms where you can advertise. But then, so right now, the entertainment industry being open right now, it's good for producers and artists because guess what? You have the party them same way, and it's good for go out and mingle and and stand up in our party or a club and see what your song I do. Because
See what I'm saying? Yeah, man. This man know what he's talking
when you
about.
stand up and you see say your song drop and you see how the crowd react, you tell us say alright, they know say that song is on fire. Me need for put in some more investment in it as it relates to the radio, as it relates.
Facts. See what I'm saying? Big up yourself, Albanian, urban. Big up yourself, respectful comments.
So going out in the street, that aspect of it show you what your song is really doing in the streets.
Okay.
So it is an important part. So I'm going to tell younger producers now that you can't take that away from the music, because that is really what show you say, alright then that's song. You can't stay home and know what your song I do unless a man send you a clip and say, dog, you know, say your song, you see me? Or a man so as me I say still Terro,
So the inside thing never work.
It needed. No, him say something important, you know, him say him send somebody out, you know, because if him is not that personality, you can't force him.
But
Some of them are the studio right through.
right.
Yeah, man. Somebody got to be out in the streets to feel it.
True. So
I get to like the loud night sometimes.
and that given. So if you must send somebody out there, the same thing. Cause want somebody I represent for Terro than
every time.
are the same difference. But me I go advise young producers say when you can't take out the dance out of the music.
And that's why
You see it.
the black then music them it live on more.
Live on because
the dance hall bust it.
yeah.
When the dance hall bust the song in it, live on more than when the internet bust it.
Yeah.
The internet is just a hot topic.
Temporary. Cause after a while, the internet is something when we realize.
Yeah, man, the oldest songs in dancehall live on because people experienced. They didn't just listen it over the internet. They experienced those songs. They remember they going to a house party. Remember when they used to go party and you know what I'm saying? They got memories attached to those songs. Experience versus when you listen over the internet, it's just another piece of content you scroll past. You know what I'm saying? You listen to it, yeah, you gonna listen to the song, but sometimes you gonna forget about the song because you ain't really got no memories attached to the song. You know what I'm saying? A lot of songs you listen to a lot of songs that you listen to repeatedly, other than when it's brand new, is most of the songs you have memories attached to, like bring back. You know what I'm saying? So when you have experience with the music, that's what makes it lives on a bit longer.
You want more, you always want more. You want more.
You
get me?
Enough.
So after, you cannot get enough of the internet. You cannot. Because somebody, right now, you can sit down by your phone in this couch for the entire day and the internet can amuse you. From 8 o'clock in the morning, go straight back to 8 o'clock in the night. You can sit down by your phone and you can find 1 million things to do by your phone. So the internet is something that you always want more, and that is even another aspect of music where producers need to venture into, because guess what, the internet is something where vast. There are so many ways of how to promote your music via the internet, not just Instagram and YouTube. So many different ways.
Ask all the money.
No, but you see me just look on Noel, but just me I wait for hear about the money part. Me I wait for hear him tell me about how the money sharing go.
Within the artist and the producer.
Yeah, alright, so we understand, say when artists book show, them have to the promoter them have to pay the artist, and that's how the artist pocket fee and bread. My question is, how the producer them pocket for them bread?
The old man still just want to know the money going on. That's how she focus on the money. That's such a thing.
Alright.
Woman the easy boy.
That's very, very important part.
Yeah, very, very important.
Alright, let me tell you something.
People get it twisted enough.
People always get it twisted as it relates with producers and artists. Artists get paid several different ways. Artists get paid by performance. Artists get paid by dub sessions. Artists get paid by them 45s. 45 for people who don't know that is a track itself. You know, voice a song. Alright, so watch this now. Artists get paid. An artist that is established. Established meaning your boss. Layman term, your boss. Your boss are your day in the street.
Yeah.
A man, I go say alright, then him I go start off with say a 6,000 US.
Yeah.
See? When him say him want 6 grand, you have to pay him for that 6 grand as a producer.
Yeah.
We're not talking in-house producers, we're talking producers who see same boss and want a track from him. So him I go charge
And
6
system of a pulling power.
and system of a
For
pulling
real,
power.
say, yeah.
For say alright then for
It makes
invest.
sense,
Because it's a business. And we should
Yeah, man, music is a business for real.
not forget that this is a business. Music is a business. Separate apart from the liquor we drink, the weed we smoke, the vibes within the studio, everybody a par and having a good time, it is a business. Please try not to forget that it is a business. So when the artist get paid for him song, the artist also get paid for dubs. So once that song is out, if him have a pulling power, meaning him song them all. Or if the song not hit, him hot now, so everybody are going to listen everything when him drop. Selectors are going to want dubs. And the dubs, it is the artist's decision. So if the artist decides, okay, I need $400 for a dub or I need 600 to 1,000 US, that's what I want for a dub. So it is the artist's decision to make that money.
But you don't must get it.
But you don't must get it. You understand me?
Yeah.
So you have to say, alright, you can say $1,000, which is 1,000 US for a dub, and nobody no take the dub from you. But you're hot. And then you have a one
But
man.
people don't want to pay it.
A one man.
You can do 5 dub for $200.
And you can do 5 dub for $200.
So you choose.
So you choose.
What
So
you want to do.
that's where artists make their money. By them 45 dubs and also performance. Alright, so for the week, you can have up to 10 shows for the week. If you're at you're a real art artist. So you mentioned about the entertainment industry. The entertainment industry open up now. And really the artists now are gonna really make food out of because one track, say 15 party for the week, an artist can just produce that one hit song. And each of those parties
You perform the one song.
They're in Jamaican dollars, them cannot charge them like 800,000 dollars or $600,000 for one performance. So times 600,000 by 15.
Whole heap of money that.
So the artists them not bluff. The artists them have money for true.
So that's why you
So the
understand.
producers make money.
Yeah, woman is there. Oh, the artist there now. All this artist, she go try to find now.
No, what? Listen to me now. Listen to me now. Listen to me now. Listen to me. But that's how weird for Noel. But that's how weird.
No, that's why I'm leaving the
Every
producer for
producer
last.
son brought though.
But say,
That's why I'm leave the producers
No.
for last. Because guess what?
boy, leave it for last.
People, listen, one, same like the artist, the producer have an image to maintain. Because they can't walk in and party in your slippers and want shots going and party as Noel one time.
That's all on.
Or stare at Chapsy here. So both parties have an image to
So now one time music can touch up situation.
maintain.
Yeah.
So therefore, what that say? We make money, I'm gonna retry this. Because
No, because I'm gonna wait for
Alright, watch this now. All producers make money. Producers make money on the platforms that they release the songs. That's copyrighted. Alright, watch this now. I'm going to start from the inception before it becomes even a track. Artists come into the studio, the artist's voice. Meaning the artist don't have to write him lyrics. Sometimes it is the producer's job to write, get somebody a writer. Because sometimes the artist, you hear the artist,
Him have a sound, but him
have a
just don't have
sound,
the lyrics.
but him don't have the lyrics for that song.
Yeah.
So one, you have to pay a writer to write the song.
Yeah.
Then for make him deliver it in the booth. Writers'
I
prices
think you can negotiate.
Writers' prices varies. Like it depends on what they charge. Some writers them ask you, who are the artists?
Yeah. Because it depends on what the artist do.
You understand
Like,
me?
yes, yeah, right,
So
right,
I
right,
can't even
right.
give you a definite price to say, alright, then at 20,000 Jamaican dollars, a writer would have charge or 50,000 Jamaican dollars. The price varies. So that's the starting of everything to get the right. So rhythm I have some producers, they don't make rhythm.
True.
So they have to buy that rhythm from someone who make the rhythm. You're gonna start tell you how we make money yet.
Yeah, we just have some of the process. No, but that's why we're here.
The art dinner at 20,000 Jamaican dollars.
Can negotiate.
Yeah. Writer's price
You know what I mean? So listen what I go on.
prices varies. Like it depends on what they charge.
So you pay the artist for voice, right? Come on, studio and voice, and then you probably pay a writer if the artist not have you one lyrics. Okay.
Some writers them ask you, who are the artists?
Yeah. Cause it depends on what the artist do.
You understand me? So I
I
can't even give you a definite price to say art dinner at 20,000 Jamaican dollars. A writer would charge or 50,000 Jamaican dollars. The price varies. So that's the starting of everything to get the right. So rhythm, I have some producers, they don't make rhythm.
True.
So they have to buy that rhythm from someone who make the rhythm. You're gonna start tell you how we make money yet.
Yeah, we just have some of the process. No, but that's why we're here. No, that's why we're here because you know what does ear song? I want to know what go behind the song. Them.
Show you say, a spending. When I really tell you how we make money.
Alright, you talk about una spend first. Alright.
So I start off with the spending before.
Alright.
Oh, I'm gonna show you how we make back money from all of our spending. So what? Remember, I know. I said to you, say, oh, you have producers who make rhythm. People like Andrew Blacks, you have Sonovic. I can list out several different producers who make rhythm, and they're also producers. But majority of the players in the game, they don't make rhythms.
True.
They buy rhythms. So you have to buy a rhythm.
You buy rhythm or you make rhythm?
Who buy rhythm?
Alright.
You understand me? I will make rhythm as well.
Terro, that said me worse.
well, in my case still.
Me sit down with my engineer them still and make rhythm. Because sometimes you want a sound, and it better you sit with them and you say, no man, put in some more hi-hat or put in some more drums, put in some more snare right there. So no man, drop the bass right there. So drop 2 more kick right there. So that is a form of making rhythm.
Our team. I don't really buy rhythm, you see me? The team is just a part of the production.
Yeah.
You dig me? I say so. You have a man where they in the team we can build rhythm. You see me? So it costs less on that side there.
So if you
just
can,
like how you have your own studio and you
so
don't
if you can cut costs like what Terro said, you cut it as you go along. But that's why I don't want draw
this long reasoning.
But watch this now. Remember, you know, artists they know right there so yet, you know.
Yeah. And the money be your money have spent.
Money I spent already enough right. So when you stay so no box and get the rhythm, artist voice on the rhythm. Because sometimes you have to send out. Some artists different. Some artists can voice on spot, some artists can voice. Them have to listen to the rhythm, meds it, and then them comes to the voice. Alright, watch this now. And me gonna talk. The reason why me never want Terro to explain the production part, meaning if you have like a bridge in a area. Watch me talk like a man who don't have no links. Studio time. Is the producer's responsibility. So if the artist take 12 hours to voice that song, that's the average studio time is $4,000 an hour. $4,000, 4,000 Jamaican dollars an hour. So if the artist spend 8 hours in the studio, is $4,000 times 8. 8 4 hours.
Then you don't know? You don't watch now. We want embarrassing by big YouTube.
I wanted to say, it boil on back to say
32, my girl, come here, man.
The music business escape most of it, isn't it? You ask about 4 times and all them something. I can't tell me, I feel my phone.
Yeah, no, but you.
I forgot on my phone and type in that. I know that, you see?
Oh God.
Yeah, go on.
But what I say is this. What I say is this. We pay for that studio time there. And remember, you know, you yourself, the producer, dish out this money. I don't even know where this song is going to go.
Yep.
You alright? So the
Yeah, man, I really talk. I don't even know the song going to hit or not.
song voice. You spend 8 hours on the studio. The song voice. You pay a writer already. You pay the rhythm man already. And you pay for your studio time. Now you have a track in your hand. Zin, what's the next step? The next step is for you to say, alright then, you're going to give this to a videographer. And for the man them where not like me in the game, we did the game a good while. Where we have equipments them like cameras and all of that. We have a production team.
Remember that day I say you not have
you don't have anything. That me gonna say. Me say man like me where we think them already.
It's different.
It's different for us because while they're going along the game, they cut costs. I am speaking for persons who just starting the producing. They now have to send it to a Shane Creative or
a Logic,
so my boy name, but KD
yeah,
and some other man, RD Studios, you have Extreme.
Yeah man. Shane Creative, KD Visuals, Blood Wicked Media, Wicked pan the video them and big up on yourself around to them.
Team Arts, all of them bad.
Dolce Production, Dolce Digital, yeah, man.
One Time Films,
Dolce Chad.
all of them things, that's how we still. You know, we can't for myself. But anyway, you have them have to send that.
OGP Studios, Just Brilliant Studios, yo, Wicked producer them, Wicked video production company, man.
Track to one of those videographers to get something what you call a treatment for the song. A treatment is a concept for the video. So if the artist has sing say
Girls and Rich Life.
And girls. One say, alright, I go work with girl. Alright, same as sing about big body girl and be a girl in them house and area. Sometimes you wish them to sing them song there. Sometimes the artists them a voice though. Let me show you. Sometimes the artists them a voice. You wish them to say yo, be a girl in them house.
Like when the artist advise too much chopping song to me.
Cause guess what?
Cause it chopping song, Jesus.
Cause guess what? When an artist set in him song say yo, I have 25 girls right beside of me.
You gotta go get them 25 girls for the video and that's money. That's crazy.
You have to find
Mustang and BMW.
You have to find all of them.
You have to find the 20.
Yo, man, they make a producing thing. I see them saying that man attack it as joking, but the man serious. I see me, but me like them make it things sound fun and you take it out. You can't tell us a long time when I do him thing, you know what I'm saying? Cause if man attack serious dog, them they cost money, bro. As do all them there can't joke it off no can put in him years on him work, but them thing they cost, bro, and I think a lot of people think about them stuff, man.
You have to find the 25 girl for bring across what the artist to make what he's saying come to life so that the audience sees that. So for one girl, when you short Cassie, my sister, and say Cassie no say more 25 girl, each girl I charge $10,000. You have to find.
Damn, that's 250K right there, bro. 250K right there.
Artist attire, which is his clothes that he's going to wear. You have to find location, the house or the Airbnb where you're going to use. Some Airbnb they don't want.
You know, so them give up already.
No,
yeah, man, enough producer where I watch this young, you know, if you know what think about producing. Yeah, man, for them give up already, man. But if they do it and you're smart and go about the thing right, it can be done. Just like how them man make it, you know what I'm saying? This is not to get discouraged, it's just to make you aware, you know what I'm saying?
that's why them
Terro not easy to, you know, Terro, so you don't know, so then give up already. Terro, not easy, you know that.
understand.
No, don't get discouraged. Don't get discouraged because honestly, but just say me gonna lead up.
Don't get discouraged, sure.
To when them cash out for them big money and that me a wait for.
Hold on, man. That's why I go through the process of it. So, the man understand.
This is what play out me, hold on, man. Stop playing.
The spending what producers do, or the investment rather. I would consider spending as something where you don't spend without
no return or no expectation of.
Yeah, investing definitely. Play with me.
Getting it back, yeah.
So the investment. blind investment. Let me put it at that. Blind investment.
Yeah, investment mixed with gamble.
Yeah, gamble, because you don't know. You can do all of that. But when you reach right there, say it. So when you pay for these girls, pay for the house, pay for the Moscato or the artist I sing about, or the Deuce, same sing about Deuce, I said, Jesus Christ. So sometimes my voice in the studio, I said, Deuce. I don't say remember what I did.
You something different.
You were with your friends?
Terro. Nah, my life, man.
Second part. Terro. But anyway, the artist say, alright then, they must sing about whatever them feel like they want to sing about. You have to find it. And you pay for it, you put in the video. So Shane
Unless it's some established artists that already have some things that they own, and part of it is that, you know what I'm saying? But that is about, you know what I'm saying? People, we don't want to talk for people who know nothing right now start.
creative say oh 300,000 or extreme art say oh $400,000 for just do the whole video.
shoot the video.
Show the video and edit it.
Like I shoot the video and edit alone.
You understand what I say?
Yeah,
So
and then
that don't have nothing to do with the props.
the props
which is
and the girls and everybody.
the liquor,
Yeah.
the Airbnb. That's a different cost from what the videographers are charging.
Different.
Which is at 300,000.
So you can run.
The Miss Pat Show is a grown folk sitcom.
The Miss Pat Show, tonight at 10, now on BET.
What if smartphones were more than just smart? The all-new Google Pixel 6, with a 24-hour adaptive battery that sends power precisely where you need it. Google Pixel 6.
So remember,
300,000.
Yeah, guys, the business of music, you know, definitely fun and interesting field, but you know, it can be a lot of cost involved, but you can get also a lot reward out of it too. So it can be very fulfilling. It can be stressful also, but it can be very fulfilling and rewarding. But let's continue.
The starting price, it can run with the props, go straight up to million up.
$1 million up. Depends on what you want to bring across. If you want a real crisp, clean video, when people are saying, oh, that video just, you do the whole of that, just people say, oh, that video your body clean.
Yeah.
Not that they're amazing or, you know what I'm saying, our feeling, bro. Just to say, yeah, the video your body clean.
That's all you do. All of that. All of that. You spend $1 million for a couple people in the comments say, yo, that video you bad. That video
It's clean, I like it.
It's clean, I like it. Big up yourself,
Big up yourself.
Yo,
Yeah.
yo.
Alright, anyway.
This guy right here is hilarious. No, this nigga hilarious.
Gemini, I spend for
Yeah,
you.
you spend for your music.
Yo, these guys are hilarious. Terro, you're fit up, you know me, G.
I don't know for this on YouTube comments, you know. And the best video this never see a drop.
Best video this never say a job. But them video you fair job. But anyway, after you spend up all of them money there. Alright, so me now kid, cause not all producers will go up to that margin. Say you spend, say, for the entire thing you spend about 300,000 for do everything. For argument's sake. Remember, you know, you don't pay for one right song, you don't pay for studio time. So when you stay so now, Bobs, and get that video from the video director, and the video, you look upon it and you say, alright, then yeah man, the next step is what? You're going to look at the type of song as a producer. You're going to look at when it is the right time to drop. Because,
Look
for
like a tired one.
instance, most of the artists in the industry singing about pain, sorrow. Like, it's a say for instance, use to Corona time. Where you go? Place lockdown.
The big batty girl.
The place lockdown. Nobody can go out. Nobody can. So timing is a very important part of it. So all of those things is not just to drop songs. It's not. So you look at the timing and say, alright then, I go work with summer. Hopefully the place home. Because I work with, I be realistic as possible. Hopefully summer and the place home. Like how this place home now, good timing for drop a song like that. Alright. So you say, alright then you say, June I go drop this song. they spend up so much money. The next step, some producers don't do it, but this is educational to producers. You link a distributor, get in the songs, the audio and playlist. Playlist is
2 weeks before.
From 2 weeks before. So the songs you'll be on YouTube. You pitch. So
alright, remember Noel now. Yeah, educate the young producers to come or whatever. Suppose them not understand the concept of distributors or whatever, like, so you need to explain that to them, like, who are you?
Yeah, so the distributors are the persons who distribute your song on the platforms, the various platforms.
Okay.
So your Spotify, your Apple Music, your Tidal, YouTube, all of those. Your distributor do that for you, and also pitch your songs for you.
Yeah.
You understand me? And market it and advertise your songs for you. That's the distributor's role.
Plus they get a percentage.
Plus they get a percentage for doing that.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have to pay them again.
No, they normally take it from the master.
Okay.
As they go along.
Okay.
And I will explain further what the master is.
Alright.
Anyway, so after that, you choose a date. The song must drop tomorrow morning. You say, alright then. Remember, you the producer spend so much money. You hope say this song hot.
And do well.
Alright then. You drop the song. Say the song is a booming song. Hot song everywhere.
Yeah.
You know, see me trending new. That trending #1 gone. Everybody says some bad DJ. All the artists end up boss. If it's a young artist and him, nobody never know him. Boss. Song hot. Song with 6 million views in a space
4 weeks.
4 weeks. 6 million views.
Yeah, 4 weeks.
So it is 6 times 800.
Okay.
That's the rate.
Just Terro take out the calculator, no, that's the day so far.
So even if it reaches.
Yes. Look here now, because you must feel like saying I'm going to tell the people about the money. So Terro, go on the phone, go calculate it.
So what I forgot you
Yeah.
About 4,800.
So
alright, and then on the times that by the whatever currency rate is happening right now.
Yeah.
It depends.
You really have to know the nitty-gritty.
Yeah, no, for the people that want to know.
It depends.
Anyway, it depends on that. Alright.
So where the views come from.
As a major player in the game, songs that go over 2 million views, that shows on YouTube. And the next thing, please, artists, stop focusing on YouTube only. Please. I'm producer too. The producer them too.
On YouTube.
Stop focusing on YouTube, because YouTube is actually the lowest paying platform in music.
Yeah.
It's the lowest.
Facts.
So I don't know where it come from.
Look for your statement. That's what it is.
I don't know where it come from, where everybody's just watching this YouTube thing.
One time YouTube have the most views, but when you look on the platform, they have a little bit of views, but it appear more than what YouTube is paying. And maybe another interview will go down or each platform pays. But YouTube rate, if you're going through a distributor, I'm not talking about like YouTubers rates are different. If you're going as a producer, you go through a algorithm where even your views they have to be authentic. So even if a man say buy views, is the real views them you get paid for.
Yeah.
So for instance,
you get me?
They have 200,000 views real on your song, and you buy 800 more. You're not getting paid for that, you know?
You're not getting paid for it.
Just the 200,000.
You look good, you know?
It's just to appeal, say, yo, artists are clap them views.
Good, but
it shows players, a producer like me, I can know when an artist is buying views, because if you're clocking, say, 6 million views in 3 weeks, and I look at your Spotify, I'm looking at your Tidal, I'm looking at your other things, and clock on.
With the same song. 2,000 views.
2,000 views, 3,000 views.
Something wrong there.
Nigga, stop buying views. Just stop it, please. Cause
a million views with 200 likes.
With 200 likes. Nigga, just stop it.
The comments are beer spam.
You understand me? So
beer Indian people.
So when you look at that and Yeah, all of that.
I
You're
don't know what you them word for, but I really that man. Yeah, man. Certain people, even YouTubers too, man. You see your views to like what you see. It's crazy. It's like, you know what I'm saying? Something ain't right.
What should I calculate?
I was about 4,800.
4,800 US. And you convert that. You times that by one, whatever the dollar is.
Yeah.
Say 154. Times that by 154. Because we're going down in the nitty gritty.
But
4,800. And that is just, we just give a rough check of what that's $739,200 you make for after the first 3 months. That's what you're going to get.
Yeah, for the winning.
And that's just from YouTube alone.
That's from YouTube alone.
wow, going on, sir. No, sir. What is happening?
The artist will walk through your studio.
I want people. What's happening? Damn, guys, sorry about that. What the hell?
Yes.
So, I want to know,
I have to maintain the image.
going back to the
Got the bum bars around.
inception of you know, you get the ghostwriter and, you know, get the studio time. When an artist step in the studio, you know, I'm unknown, I'm not established or whatever.
For that song. Your next paycheck from released.
And 3 months is the
Zine? So this is 739,200. You know the other platforms, sorry, the other platforms maybe run it up to, you probably get say 800,000 to say 900,000. 3 months of the song being released.
and 3 months is the general time period.
Then after that, we will get carry them pay everything up front. So after that, we get pay out of pay out. Like for instance, your distributor was whoever you copyright the song or co-produce the song. What's going on, man? You two, you tripping?
Any song.
For the first paycheck.
100,000 you get from for that. For that song. Your next paycheck from the song.
What's going on, man?
Alright.
After the first 3 months, that's what you're going to get.
Yeah, for the winning.
And that's just from YouTube alone.
That's from YouTube alone. Zine? So this is 739,200. You know the other platforms, sorry, the other platforms maybe run it up to, you probably get say 800,000 to say 900,000. Cool?
Alright, so you have like
So
what,
that's
like a 1
after
point.
after your first 3 months of the song being released.
And 3 months is the general time period.
Any song.
For the first paycheck.
The first paycheck that you're going to get for
But
the
after
song.
that, every month.
So after that, you're going to get a check from that track every month.
Okay.
Watch me now. So you get say 900,000 you get from for that. For that song. Your next paycheck from the song, if it's a booming song like that, remember we calculate it as a booming song, you know, which is a 6 million views. Zine? Your next paycheck, you're gonna look for probably maybe the same amount, or you might get a little bit less, like probably depends on how the song is streamed. Cause for that 3 months that people can just watch a song, then after the 3 months people stop watch it. And that's just all the internet is. So you might get near to where you get or a little less than where you get.
Yeah, like it start out good.
It start out good
and then after a while it does it.
So your next check you probably get like 500,000.
And the money does a good.
The next check you get 300,000.
So previous, you can go down in a body, you can just pick up back one of them times.
Pick up back, you just say, what is
this? You see me? And you can go straight down
to yourself. Straight down to yourself, what is?
So I said,
and that goes directly in your pocket.
Yes, the producer's pocket.
Alright
now. So that is how a producer get paid. From his tracks, that is. So you have to put in the work, which is, and that's just one track. That's how a producer get paid.
And that's
you don't get paid from that too, right?
Well, I knew how it go, but like I'm sure the general public probably feel like, say, when music both are in artist station. Well, I don't know. Before getting educated, I figured that when artists get booked, producer get a percentage and everybody get a percentage and them share up.
No, that's if the producer is also the artist manager.
Okay.
So the same process. For instance, One Time Music is where we sign Taco Warfare. For argument's sake, he's booked for a show. We get a percentage from that because he's an artist that is signed. We're doing all managerial aspect of his career. So that's a different thing than if you're just a producer for the artist. If you're just a producer and you're not his manager, you don't get a percentage from his performance.
It goes directly.
Because you, the manager, also have to look for gigs, like gigs meaning shows, all of that for them. And bookings and all of that. So that's how you get the percentage in that. So that's just the master. What I just calculated earlier is the master of the song.
So artists don't get none of that?
Artist, what, the master?
Yeah.
No. You have some...
Or it depends?
It depends. That's where I get into right now. Some artists, them say, alright, then they want 20% of the master. If it's an artist that is established and them know say them are clock numbers, but them say, yo, I go want 20% of the song. If it is an arrangement between the producer and the artist, if the artist say me is the artist and Terro the producer, and Terro said to me and Terro are breaking. I'm just get Terro a song. He don't pay me for the song. I'm gonna say, Terro, just give me 20% of the master. I take 80. So that figure that I calculated earlier would be that 20% from that. The artist will get that. So some artists do that based on the relationship and based on the agreement.
So with all of this being said and done, I don't know, I just got the overall conclusion that the producers are the real risk takers in the business. You get me? I say, not to say that, we're not undermine the artist and talent and that they're not taking a risk or whatever, because I mean, to do the artist thing full time, it's a risk as well. But with all that being said and done, the expense and the network that goes into the producing, and I would think that artists should have.
Remember, I just remember something. You get that set. Tell writers and we tell people. Say you get 700,000, you get 900,000 for the next month. You get ready. Remember, you have other songs for doing. You have other videos.
This is a really dope interview, very insightful. You know what I'm saying? I'm really glad I watched this. Like, this is really dope. So, you know what I'm saying? This gets you a better understanding of the music industry and how the production side of things work and how the artist side of things work, how everybody make money and how they get paid off. Really dope. Like, for real, let me know what y'all think in the comment section.
Yeah, so you take it and you have to reinvent it and
so that money that you get from a song that's booming, you can do 5 more songs after that and none of them no boom.
And I still spend half the money. And
the money you still have to spend and do the videos, all of what I explained earlier. So you can do after that song, which as a producer you get a hit song.
You come like the 3 card game.
You get me? You win, right? So, and then for your 5 next track as a producer, you're not gonna hit song, but you have to spend and make the video.
Yeah, so you don't think you guys are in a constant, never-ending loop of the studio and working?
You can't stop. You don't start, so you stop. The world knows say Terro Chop City records.
You get a hit song, out of the production, and you stop them and say you fall off.
You fall off.
Have to continue
So
and keep up the game.
you have to juggle this thing. You
can't look shabby neither.
You can't look shabby in the streets. You have to have your Puma. Yeah.
So, I want to know.
You have to maintain the image.
Going back to the inception of, you know, you get the ghostwriter and, you know, get the studio time. When an artist step in the studio, you know, I'm unknown, I'm not established or whatever. What, as a producer, what am I gonna decide to, you know, what I want take on the artist?
Glad you punch a point there.
Yeah.
Watch this now. That is why most producers right now, they are moving from voicing younger artists. That's why you have to rate man like Terro. You have to rate man like we. You have to rate man like Al Shab. That you have to rate the producers them where
give them a chance.
And give the little you them a chance because watch this now. When we drop a juggle, if you check all of our juggle, we'll add at least 2 to 3 young artists on it. So if you have our juggles we're very exclusive. You have like a Movada, a Sean Paul, top of the food chain. We'll give our artists a strength. So with the juggle, with that pull force that those major artists have,
to bring attention to
those young artists at least 2 to 3 from time to time. That's why as producers you have to juggle. You have to juggle because guess what? That is what you use and pull your little young artists them and say, alright then go on a rodeo.
Step and big with him.
You understand me?
Yeah.
So imagine you hear a Movada playing at a party and as a young artist you hear your song drop after that because it will play because it's a juggle. You understand what I say? So you have to rate and respect the producers that do that. You have some producers
work with young artists.
They don't do it none at all.
Unknown as you mentioned.
You get me? I said they don't do it none at all.
Yeah.
So you have
but then again, you know,
it's easier not to work with young artists. It's easier, you know.
Yeah, no, for
It's
true.
It's fuck up, no? It's easier because remember says a business, you know.
It is a business.
So if you say it's alright, the artist they establish, we just deal with the money business. Give my money, take a song, get back my money. But with a young artist,
yeah,
it's kind of different from when you just see a big artist. Artist and get a song and just close the business right there.
But I think it go back to where you
I want a real insightful interview people. I think I got any writers stuff, you know. I'm gonna come back with part 2. Let me know if you want me to finish. But I think I may have been having about 40 minutes. Damn. So I'm in here for now, guys. Let me know what you think, and if you I'm want to finish. If you want to see a part 2, real insightful interview and talk from Terro and Noel one time. Okay, so this is Terro. His record label Chop City Records, and got Noel one time music. So. Yeah, man, real insightful interview and knowledgeable interview and entertaining interview from both of these producers. You know, they really gave me some things to think about, a lot of people things to think about. And yeah, it just, clarified some other things for the young producers out there, you know what I'm saying, and gave them a better knowledge and understanding of what's going on, what to expect in the music industry. But yeah, man, real dope and insightful interview. We're definitely going to finish in part 2. Let me know what you guys want me to react to next. Let me know what you think about this interview. Did you agree what he said? What do you think about the process of this music? And what about you think about music being a business? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Definitely leave it there so we can chop it up and discuss this, you know what I'm saying? But really insightful. Hope you learned something. And if you're interested in doing music production, that you don't get discouraged, hopefully this inspired you and gave you some more knowledge and help you on your path to becoming a successful producer, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, really dope interview, really dope and entertaining interview from Terro and Chop City Records and Noel One Time Music. I really appreciate you guys for tuning in, checking the video out. Definitely let me know what to react to next. And until next time, guys, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.